So what do we know about sets? Sets are unordered and they cannot be indexed. Let's make a set. A equals 3. And now I'm going to say x equals a set. Well, in this set, I'm going to pass it a 1, a 2, a 3, and the variable a. Let's see what our system does with this. Close squares, close circles, parens, and I hit enter. Well, what type of data is x? It is type set. It's a set. Well, what's in it? 1, 2, and 3. Wait a minute. Shouldn't it have 1, 2, 3, and a 3? But sets are not just unordered. They are, and they're not just indexed. They can't be indexed, but also there are no dupes allowed. So it replaced 1, 3 with the other 3. No dupes allowed. Well, is that true for everything? Well, what if I said a equals 4? And now I said x equals, well, I can do this a little bit easier. Just click up here on the x and hit enter, and it keys it in for me. So x equals set 1, 2, 3, and a. But a now has a 4 in it. What will happen? Let's key in x, and oh, I get 1, 2, 3, 4. That is just amazing. So I can add in data, but I can assign variable data, but it translates that into the actual numeric data and puts it into the set. Well, you know. Okay, what about other types of values? We saw numeric data. What about Boolean values? Well, what if I said a was equal to true? And from what I remember, Boolean values, true is equal to a 1, and a false is equal to a 0. Now, if I say x equals set, and then square brackets, 1, 2, and 3, and a, close square brackets, close parens, what's going to happen here? I didn't get an error, but remember, true evals to a 1, so it's going to substitute this a with a 1, but there's another 1 in here. What will happen? I suspect it will overwrite this one with this 1, and the values in my set will now be 1, 2, and 3. Let's find out. Key in the value x, hit enter. Oh, and there they are, 1, 2, and 3. What do you know? That is just amazing. And of course, what type of structure is our x? It is of the class set. Well, that's all I want to talk about today. Well, for right now, this is George Boole saying bye-bye.